heard a strange sound coming towards behind him. What on earth is that sound? Taurus was very scared. Then with a sudden jar, he was coupled to some fuel trucks, and then with a sudden bang, the diesel pushed him down the hill. Taurus now realized that Eagle has a dark side after all. Oh my god! I cannot stop!
Oh look! It's a beautiful night out here tonight. The sun is setting and I can see the moon coming up and that— oh my god! Oh bloody hell! I'm out of control!
We are following some breaking news coming from the island of Sodor. A runaway train with lots of fuel cars is heading straight towards the engine shed. If you're nearby right now, get out of there as fast as you can! Come on, Henry, let's run for our lives!
Oh my god! Run for your life!